Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Elite Tech Club. My name is Saeid and I'm super excited to have you here. A little bit about me. I'm a software developer with more than 8 years of experience. I'm passionate about technology, programming and everything related to the digital world. This channel is going to be your go-to destination for programming tutorials and tech-related content. My goal is to create videos that are beginner friendly but also dive into more advanced topics for those looking to level up their skills. Whether you are just starting out or already have some experience, there will be something here for everyone. To give you a quick idea of what's coming up, we will explore web development and specifically JavaScript world, covering both basics and advanced concepts. I'll share coding tips, tools, and best practices to make your developer journey smoother. Occasionally, we might take a look at other tech-related topics like emerging trends or product reviews to keep things fresh and exciting. Each video will be concise and packed with value, no fluff, just straight to the point. So if you are excited in coding and technology as I am, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any updates. I'd also love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know what topics you'd like to see covered in the future. This channel is as much about you as it is about me, so your input will definitely help us to shape the content we create together. Thank you for watching and welcome to the Elite Tech Club. Let's embark on this exciting journey together and see you in the next video.